Hello friends, today I'm going to recite a poem and the title of my poem is Let's Preserve Our Nature. Let's start. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, the breeze is so cool. The mother nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what we do, make her a mess. But what we do, make her a mess. Let's preserve her best by polluting less and less. And preserve her green dress for the kids and the rest. For the kids and the rest. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and share to my channel.